What's up, YouTube? I know, lagging on the videos. Honestly, I had to upgrade my phone. Totally full. Memory was totally full. Couldn't record. So way too many apps for me. But I do a lot of video editing and recording, and I mean, I got a ton of apps, so I had to upgrade. You know, they forced me to. But so yeah, I'm back. So right now we're going to be doing a pet treatment. So we're going to be doing a pet treatment. Already boosted my solutions. Full house. We're going to be doing the Green Rhino cocktail. So that's wall to wall. So it's not just going around locating spots and treating it. We're actually pre-spraying the whole thing with our boosted pre-spray. Okay, so we're using a couple products that are amazing. Ever since I've been using this, if you've been watching my channel, you probably heard me saying over and over and over. As a matter of fact, this particular customer is one of the customers that left a review for me saying that they love the smell more than other carpet cleaners, right? So but anyway, yeah, so eucalyptus, they love it. Most people love it. Some people might not love it, but I'm getting reviews from it, so I'm not switching. So we got the shark ready to go. So Jose's vacuuming. So yeah, full pet treatment. Green Rhino cocktail action. All right, so what we do is we make sure we do a thorough vacuum, and then we pre-spray everything, and then we agitate everything when we're doing a Green Rhino cocktail, wall to wall. We like to agitate everything into that fiber. If you don't do that, you're not gonna get the best results, all right? So make sure if you're doing a full-on pet treatment like this, no matter what solution you're using, agitate it into the fiber. Let it swell before you rinse everything out. Okay, so that way it's just not all sitting on top of the carpet fibers. It's actually, agitated into the fiber, whole fiber itself, all the way down to the bottom, right? So you can get the full benefit of the treatment. Otherwise, you might get a callback. And then we extract like normal. Not overheat or anything like that. Low heat. Sometimes I don't even turn the heat on because the truck mounts actually, they warm up anyway without the heat exchanger on. It still warm up to about 100 and something degrees without the heat exchanger even on. So I'm very particular on that. If the carpet is not even barely dirty, I don't even turn on my heat exchanger. Save it, If you got to clean those things out. So less you use it, less you got to clean it out, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray right now. He's about done vacuuming. And as I'm pre-spraying, he's gonna follow me with the CRB. And then as he's doing the CRB, I'm gonna pull the hoses and start extracting, right? So like a little routine, back and forth routine half the time, There is a cat's tray on there for this. Even though we vacuumed, there's still a ton of cat hair in here. So that's what's so great about the CRB. It picks up more of that cat hair. So the cat's tray doesn't really get every little thing, obviously, as you can tell. So I'll kind of go through here. Get these random things up. That way, as we're extracting, we don't have to stop. Pick things up, you know. So with all this extraction process is gonna go so easy. Yeah, I should be wearing gloves. All right, stay tuned. Yep, even behind the doors. So moral of the story is carpet came out great. Customer was happy, and that's all that matters, really, right? I listen to my customers when it comes to solutions, fragrances, you know. So if my customers love a fragrance that I use, but maybe I don't care for it too much, as long as I don't have any kind of allergic reactions or anything like that, I'm going with my customers, right? They're gonna be the one paying my bills, right? They're gonna be the one calling me over and over and over again. So Green Rhino Cocktail kicks butt like always.